Alright, so welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Grace Tutor, where we solve technical drawing problems. And now I want to show you how you can solve this problem that has to do with conversion of orthographic views to isometric view. As you can see on the screen, here we have that the figure shows three views of a block in first angle orthographic projection. Draw full size the isometric projection of the block, making point P as the lowest. Okay, so this is where we have point P here. You may not be able to see these diagrams very well. I may not be able to see the dimensions very well, but I have sketched it out. I have drawn it out on this paper so that you can see everything that we have here. Now, as we are told that these views are given in first angle orthographic projection, it means that this is the front view, this is the top view, and this is the end view. Now, if you look at this end view is the right end view when you are looking at the object in the right direction. Now, there is an advice that I usually give whenever I'm working on conversion of orthographic views to isometric view. I usually advise that you should make a sketch of the isometric view of the object, because that will help you to quickly solve the problem. That will help you to quickly know where to position the object. So, and that is what I have done here. I've sketched it out. So this is what we want to draw. This is the isometric view of the object, and this is what we want to draw. So try to sketch the isometric view of the object, which will help you when you are working on it. And that is what I've done and I've shown you. Now, let's talk about the dimensions of the object. Now, in the front elevation, we have the distance from here to here is 100 millimeters. Distance from here to here is 40 millimeters. From here to here is 25 millimeters. From here to here is 25 millimeters. From here to here is 40 millimeters. That is all dimensions that we have in the front elevation or in the front view. Then in the plan, we have that distance from here to here is 15 millimeters. From here to here is 60 millimeters. Then in the end view, we have that distance from here to here, from this point to this point is 15. From here to here is 15. From here to here is 15. And from here to here is 15 millimeters. Okay, now let's look at how the work can be done. But before I start doing this work, if you are watching my video for the first time on YouTube, you are welcome. This is Grace Tutor, where we solve technical drawing problems. And if you happen to be a technical drawing student, I will advise you subscribe to this YouTube channel and put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And please help me to tell your friends who are also technical drawing students to subscribe to this YouTube channel, to put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, they will be notified. Thank you, and keep on learning. As you are learning, don't forget to practice. It is very, very important. This is a practical subject where you need to practice. Now, let's do the work. Now, as we are told that this is point P here, and point P is the lowest point that you want to place at a particular point. I'm going to show you that. I've talked about that before. So this, we can also put P here as the lowest point. And that's what I've done here. Now, the first thing I need to do now is that you draw a horizontal line here. So draw a horizontal line here, like this. So draw a horizontal line. And the next thing that you need to do here is that from this point, so just take any point here. So draw a line. So draw a line in this direction. So this is point P now. So this point is point P that we are asked to make the lowest point. Now the next thing that we are going to do here is that, so from this point P, I will also draw a line in this direction. So draw a line in this direction. Now the next thing that we are going to do is that what I want to do to make this work easy and to make it more understandable is that I want to produce this shape first. I want to produce this shape. So if I produce this shape, you know the rest thing or the next thing to do. So let's produce this shape. Let's bring it out. So distance from here to here is 15 millimeters. from here to here is 15 millimeters. From here to here is 60 millimeters. From here to here is 15 millimeters. From here to here back to this point is also 60 millimeters. So let's look at what we are going to do now. So the next thing that we are going to do, so from this point, take a measurement of 15 millimeters to this point and make a vertical line here. Make a vertical line, a short vertical line like this here. So, and then from this point, draw a long vertical line like this. All right, then take a measurement of 15 millimeters on this line. 15 millimeters on this line. So this is 15 millimeters. So project this line. So project this line. Project it forward like this. Okay. Then distance from here to here is 60 millimeters. So take a measurement of 60 millimeters. So take a measurement of 60 millimeters. So this is 60 millimeters here. Okay. So at this point, draw a vertical line. Okay. Then the next thing is take a measurement of 15 millimeters from here to here. So 15 millimeters. So take a measurement of 15 millimeters. So this is 15 millimeters here. So take this, draw this backward like this. Okay. Now, so from distance from here to here is 15 millimeters. So it is that 15 millimeters that we have taken from here. So we just need to draw it up from here. So take it up from here like this. Okay. So the next thing that we are going to do is that let's get the total distance from here to here. So the total distance from here to here is 30. That is 15 plus 15. 15 plus 15, that is 60. So 60 plus 40, distance from here to here is 40 millimeters. So take 100 millimeters from here. From this point here, take 100 millimeters. So this is 100 millimeters. So from this point, draw a line. From this point, so draw a line in this direction. So draw a line in this direction. Okay. Then from here, so from this point here. Okay. All right. So before that, so from this point, we are going to take a measurement of 15 millimeters down. 15 millimeters down. From here to here is 15 millimeters. So take a measurement of 15 millimeters down. So this is 15 millimeters. Then you take 15 millimeters down again. Okay, so for a shape like this, that is this shape that we have here. So then draw a line in this direction. Okay, also from this point, draw a line in this direction like this. Okay, so the 60 that we have from here to here, we are also going to transfer. Just take that 60. So from here, just take it up like this. Okay, now, so if you look at what we have here, so let me bring out what we have done. Let me bring out what we have done by thickening these lines. So normally when I'm doing it myself, I don't make it thick until I finish the work, because I want to show you what we have done. So that's why I'm doing this. You can see that we have brought out the shape in the end elevation. The shape in the end elevation, we have brought it out. So then, okay, also, so we have this, and so we have this line, and then we have this line, and then we have this line. Here we have this line like this, then we have this line. Okay, so that is what we have done. That's what we have here. So this shape is what we have produced here. So the next thing that we are going to do is very simple. So we want to produce this shape now. This shape that we have here, we want to produce it. So this rectangle that we have here, we are going to get it out from here, from this point and this point. This point and this point that we have in the plan are this point and this point. So what you need to do now is that from this point here, from this point, so draw a line. So draw a line in this direction, and also from this point here, draw a line in this direction. Then as we have that, distance from here to here is 100 millimeters. So take a measurement of 100 millimeters here. So take a measurement of 100 millimeters from this point. So this is 100 millimeters. So then transfer this point to this side like this. Okay, then from this point here, this line that we have here, in the plan is for this line, and there is a line here. So what you need to do now, transfer this point. So draw a line from here. Backward like this. Then from this point, draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line like this. Okay. So wherever the vertical line touch here, so you need to produce it. Produce it forward like this. So produce it to this side like this. Okay. Then for what we have done here now, we are going to transfer this line. This point, we transfer it to this side. This point also, we transfer it to this side. And that is, we want to get this shape here that look like a rectangle. So we want to get this shape out. So what you need to do now is that from this point, so transfer this point to this side. So from this point, where they intersect here, so draw a vertical line down. Okay, then from this point, so draw this line to this side. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do here now is that this point also, we also transfer it. So transfer it down here. Also transfer this point. Transfer it down like this. Then from this line here, so just take it down. So take it down like this. Okay, now with what we have here, so we have drawn this shape. This rectangle that we have here is under this place, is under here. We can't see the whole of it, but we can see this line that goes down. So it goes down, but we can only see a little part of it. That is the rectangle that we have here. So the rectangle that we have here is what we have up here. So we have it up here. So this shape that we have here now, I mean this shape like this. So we need to bring it out. This shape here, we need to bring it out by taking out this one out of the solid part here. So what we have here is that distance from here to here is 40, and that 40 we already have it. The distance from here to here, that is 40. So then from here to here is 25. So we need to get this 25 out. So what you just need to do is that you come to this point here, you take a measurement of 25 millimeters. So this is 25 millimeters. Then from this point too, take 25 millimeters inward like this. Then draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line here. So draw a vertical line. So this is a vertical line. And you come here also, you draw a vertical line like this. Okay, now we are going to see a line that will go down like this at this from this point. So what you just need to do with your 30-degree set square, transfer or draw this line like this. And then when we are looking at this object in this direction, we are going to see a line that will go in like this. So from this point, so let me show you. So from this point, draw a line inward. Then when we are looking at it from here, we are going to see a line. We are going to see a line in this direction. So what John needs to do from this point, draw this line inward. Then I'm going to see a short vertical line around there from the point of intersection of these lines. So then what you need to do is to take it up a little bit. So we have completed the object. So the next thing that we need to do is to bring out the shape or the lines that are feasible. So I'm going to start with this line. I'm going to see this line here. Okay. Then I'm going to see this line. I will see this line like this. Then I'm going to see this line. I will see this line. I will also see this line. Okay. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that, so let me take out this. So this line, I will see this line. I will also see this line like this. Okay. So we are going to see this line. And don't make a mistake. This line is not drawn through. So it only stop here, it stop here. So this space is empty. So that means I will only tick from here to here and from here to here. Okay, so likewise, this line, I have to make this line a thick line. Okay, this line, I need to only take it from here to here, and I will take it from here to here. Then this will be drawn through. Okay, then this line, I'm going to make it a thick line. So this line, I'll make it a thick line like this. And this line, I will also make it a thick line. Okay, you can see that the object is coming out. So this line, we draw it from here to here. So this is the line, this line here. So this is it here, this line, this line. So then I will also make this a thick line. Make this a thick line. So this line will be made a thick line. And this line also is also a thick line. This also, they have made that thick. Okay, so this line will be a thick line here. Okay, so which other line? Okay, this line will be a thick line. All right, so the object is out now. So this is what we are asked to produce. This is what we're asked to produce. So when we put the three parts given to us together, as we have here, so we have this isometric view. So we have this isometric view. You can snap, you can pause and screenshot it and practice it. So this is what we are given, and this is the isometric view that we're asked to obtain. This is the lowest point P that we're asked to produce. So this is as simple as I've explained it here. And as I said, don't forget to make a freehand sketch of the object before you begin to work it out, because if you don't do that, so it may get to a point that you may get stuck if you are not yet good at the conversion of orthographic views to isometric view. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe and put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And don't forget to tell your friends about this particular YouTube channel where we are solving problems that have to do with technical drawing. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. May God bless you.